My name is Yixin Yang. I'm a Senior Customer Education Manager at Optimizely. We run an experimentation company that takes the guesswork out of digital decision making. And my team builds documentation and in-app onboarding and education for Optimizely. We knew that there was a need for an in-product onboarding and help that we had previously built in-house ourselves. And we saw great success because onboarding is so important to user adoption for a product. And as the education team, we really care about that. That's our bread and butter. But getting the engineering team to maintain and continue to build that when they could be building new features was a real challenge in prioritization. And so when Pendo came onto the market and we got in touch with you all, we were very excited about all of these in-product guide building tools, the help center that we've built with Pendo, as well as the analytics tools. And so it's been very easy for a largely non-technical team to use to build in-product walkthroughs. Optimizely, we have a very successful educational system called the Optiverse that we've built outside of the product. It includes all of our knowledge base, training, documentation, certifications, and it's been really, really successful to users. One of our challenges for a long time was to bring that success into the product where our users actually are and to connect those experiences. So one of the things that I'm most excited about that we've been able to do with Pendo is to build a guide center, an in-app guide center that allows you to search for those resources, that delivers them in time in the app, and also walks you through all of the steps that we think you should be taking at that moment if you want to look. It also includes a notification tray, which we use quite a lot. The other story that I'm really excited about is one of our PMs recently launched a PullIn app, which we've never done before, to try and get beta customers into a beta. And he was super excited by the response rate, which was to a very small targeted segment of customers who thought that might be interested. And the response rate was incredibly high. And so it made his steps in conducting that research so much easier that he was very excited about it. I think one of the things that we've really seen is focusing on onboarding. Because we've identified it as such a critical part of our product experience, we built out several iterations of an onboarding experience and have really landed on an experience that we have where we found that customers find value faster when they use the guides that we deliver with Pendo. So instead of them sort of figuring out on their own, where should I go to the product next, what should I be doing next, we give them a step-by-step experience and really get them to where we know the most exciting part of the product is in that initial first 30 days. I'm on the customer education team, and I'm a content person on the customer education team. I largely focus on documentation, but since my team started using Pendo, I've become much more integrated into the product building experience. So because we built onboarding in product now and we're really bringing success questions into the product cycle, my role has shifted a little bit. I've become sort of a SME for onboarding and the product. I've become somebody who is really trying to drive, we're an experimentation product, so drive the sort of success questions into the experimentation cycle that we're using to develop our product. I'm a totally non-technical user, and so I really appreciate that I can dig in, I can set up pages, I can set up tags, I can build guides, all without having to write code, which I don't know how to do.